In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a checkerboard version of the previous pattern, this corner cross pattern, on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is U, F2, L2, B2, U, B2, DI, U, F, RI, U, FI, D, LI, U, F, LI, F, BI, UI. So let's do the algorithm then, nice and slowly. We go U, F, 2, L, 2, B, 2, U, B, 2, DI, U, F, RI, U, FI, D, LI, U, F, LI, F, BI, UI. And it gives us this corner cross in sort of a checkerboard mix as well. So to undo this pattern, as always, if we can use the original algorithm, I will show you that way, and we can use the original one with this too. So we want the point of this cross in the top right, this becomes our front face, and just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. U, F, 2, L, 2, B, 2, U, B, 2, DI, U, F, RI, U, FI, D, LI, U, F, LI, F, BI, UI. And you'll see we've still got the same pattern, except the colours have rotated once. And we do it one more time, and that will set us back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Let's do it one more time. We go U, F, 2, L, 2, B, 2, U, B, 2, DI, U, F, RI, U, FI, D, LI, U, F, LI, F, BI, and UI. And that has put us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.